Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Insider Insights. Today we have another member of the Deluxe Homes team and I just want to sing for you.
Yes, can we put that?
Yeah, just that.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Insider Insights. Today we're sitting down with another member of the Deluxe Holiday Homes team. And without further ado, allow me to introduce Ali. Ali, can you tell us what your designation is at Deluxe Holiday Homes?
Thank you, Thamik. I'm heading the guest relation department. My designation in the company is head of guest relations and retention. So mainly I'm responsible to ensure we put up the right standards and we meet the expectations of every guest who's staying with us, and to make sure all over the guest experience has met the expectation and mostly surpassed their expectation in every aspect.
How does the guest relations team manage inquiries, requests, or any issues that might arise during a guest's stay?
We take pride in proactive approach of our customer service team. We exhibit a commitment to prompt and effective resolution of any sort of guest concerns that may arrive during the stay. Through the delivery of our efficient and personalized assistance, our team ensures a seamless and enjoyable experience for every guest, reflecting our dedication to an exceptional hospitality.
How would you say Deluxe Holiday Homes is making a difference in guests' experience during their stay?
It's a very good question, Thamik. We distinguish our vacation home experience through a meticulous commitment to detail. We are dedicated to provide a personalized service, and our focus on these key elements ensures that our guests not only have a unique stay, but also an experience that surpasses their expectation in every aspect.
And then lastly, can you walk us through a guest's experience from the initial booking to the end of their stay?
We prioritize a seamless and a distinguished guest experience from the initial stage of making the reservation with us until the time they vacate the property. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in our streamlined booking processes, personalized check-in procedures, thoughtfully curated amenities, and obviously our unwavering dedication to responsive and attentive guest services. We strive to create memorable and exceptional stays for each guest, ensuring they feel valued and cared throughout their stay with us.
And that brings us to the end of today's segment. Thank you so much for your time today, Ali. It's definitely been a good one. And to you at home, thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you guys again in the next one. Bye!